a geocache? Wow, this must have been here so long. Hey guys, Kwackajack here. So today I've got a really cool video for you. I've actually ridden up to the Gold Coast hinterland, a place called Beechmont or BinnaBurra. I think this is one of the greatest roads on the Gold Coast. So I thought I'd whip on the helmet, put on the GoPro, and show you guys what it's like. I've also taken my drone so I can show you some of the surrounding area too. Also guys, just a really quick thing. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's joined the channel over the last few weeks. We've just reached 200 subscribers and I am absolutely stoked. I'm so grateful for every single one of you that's subscribed, liked, or even just left a comment on one of the videos that I've posted. It really does mean the world to me. And I still can't believe I've got 200 subscribers now. It's insane to me. So thank you again. Please enjoy the video and hit a like and subscribe if you feel like it. So this whole area is called Beechmont or BinnaBurra. And about a year ago, some bushfires came and ravaged through all of this. And you can see there's still a lot of roadworks going on. We've seen a lot of trucks go past because they're doing a lot of repairs to the road up further, where it's actually closed off and you can't get in there. But about a year ago, this whole area was black, and you can still see on some of the trees where the fire ravaged through, but you can obviously see as well how well it's regrown since then. And this is a national park here on the Gold Coast. I think it's one of the most beautiful roads up here too. Yeah, so you can see on the trees there where the black from the fire was. And this whole area was just absolutely ravaged by that. And what's that? That's weird. What is that? Pit stop lookout. Replacement cache by Saints Madhouse. Is this a geocache? I think it is. Wow, it's been here for a while too. Look at it. 2016, 16. Yeah, this is a geocache. Wow, this must have been here for so long. And it must have survived the bushfires that came through as well. But it doesn't look like anyone's been here since when? No, that's the last one. So, wow, the last time anyone's found this geocache was in 2016. Ferg Clan. Wow. Let me put it back in there. Let's have a look what else is in the geocache. So for those that don't know, geocaching is pretty popular here in Australia. Not a lot of people know about it, but the people that do it are obsessed with it. And it's basically where you leave these little parcels anywhere in the bush or, you know, in random places, and people go out and find them. So you put the GPS coordinates into this app. I think it's called geocaching app, I'm not sure, but I've tried it before and it's a lot of fun. So people put in the GPS coordinates of this little cache that they leave, and you go and find it. And sometimes they actually leave quite cool things in there too. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, fuck me. I thought that was a real spider there for a sec. Look, it wouldn't surprise. What did they leave? Hello Kitty shoelace. A propeller. A fake spider, which I will admit got me. And what's that? Drugs? Something to make sure that the moisture doesn't get in. That's cool. We found a geocache. I'll put it back in there and leave it for the next person. But the last person that came was in 2016, so it might be a while before the next one comes. Have you guys ever heard of geocaching before? Would you be interested in watching videos of me going out to random geocaches like this and trying to find them? Wow, that's really cool. So yeah, like I said, this is Beechmont / BinnaBurra. BinnaBurra is up ahead. So I believe the fire came up this mountain and this road actually stopped it. So it didn't manage to get across the road. But up further, the road's actually been damaged so badly that it's closed off, and they're doing repairs to it. What I'm going to do now, I actually brought my drone with me, and I'm going to send it up and let you have a look at the surroundings. So let's do that now. Take that off.